Good afternoon, LC people. Well, day's been very busy here today. Got up here about 7:30 and I've been on the bike ever since. As you can see now, I've got a brake caliper going on there. Let's move up the bike. The cover's on there. The headlight and bucket's all on. It's all wired up. Everything's wired into that now. The clocks are on it. Switch gear's been rebuilt. I've gone through those very carefully and cleaned and retapped all the threads in there for the ease of assembly. New master cylinder. What else have we got done? You can see the decals are on there. Switch gear's looking very nice. New decal on the rev counter. Rebuilt, re-zeroed. Ignition switch is on. Self-canceller hiding in there. Now, my mate Steve's going to fetch the motor at some point today, so we will be back with me tomorrow. I won't be back on it tomorrow. I've actually got some other bits and pieces to do for the next couple of days. But it's come a long way today. Very happy about it. Tim Davies, if you're watching, mate, your bike's come a long way. The bracket there, the clutch bracket. I've got the lever to sort out and what have yous. It's all looking very nice. I've got a brake caliper to fettle and do for this. Once the motor's in, obviously chain guard, chain, footrest hangers, foot pegs, gear linkage, all that kind of stuff. But we're not far away. I'm very, very happy with today's progress. But I will keep you updated about it. But as I say, I've got some other bits and pieces that I need to sort out this week, which is kind of taking a bit of priority over this. I've got parts to fettle here, obviously, for the seat catches, both sides, a few other little bits and pieces. But majority of it, I'm very, very impressed. I'm sure you'll agree. It's come a long way in the last 7 days. Like I explained in my previous video, it's fettling these parts that takes the time. If they're just there ready to bolt on, you know what I'm like, I'll smash it to pieces. Not literally, obviously, but I crack on, as you know. But yeah, hope you like it. Hope you like it, Tim. But yes, folks, I will keep you posted. Got other bits on, like I said, so it'll probably be next week now. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.